My people, wahala dey here. Yul Edochie don do the worst. Una know say right from time Yul Edochie eye dey shook wey im last born dey. When I say last born, the one we know say na official last born, wey na Zain. Yul Edochie eye dey shook for Zain side, not because he wan cater for Zain o. According to the information wey we dey hear from a very bestie of Yul Edochie thick friend, the one wey Yul dey tell every, the one wey Yul dey let am know wetin wey he wan do, wetin dey im mind. Hey, the one wey Yul Edochie dey sit down confess im sins. One friend wey Yul Edochie carry present to Juju that time wey him and Juju dem dey, to the ex ten t wey that his friend was the one wey carry Yul hand to hand like this, dey enter Umoji go do something for Juju. So this his friend na im Yul call again to confide on. Na im Yul finally tell everything. Make una see when they say this world is an envelope, no be lie. Yul Edochie call im friend tell am everything. Like I said, no be because of say Yul he really like or he dey miss too much Zain. As im friend talk dey say Yul he dey find something wey e go pain Queen May do. Can you imagine? Na this same man wey people open mouth say make Queen May reconsider how to take him back, because e be like say Yul he don calm down. E be like say Yul he no be that Yul of before. Na this same man sit down, plot, plan, carry am give im friend, dish am out say I wan do something wey go hurt am. I wan do something wey go hurt my wife May Edochie because she has not been lis ten ing to me. E be like say I don too over small for her eyes. Anything wey I do for her, e no plenty for her eye. No way wey I fit take impress her unlike before. Small things wey I dey do before, she dey impressed. But now, I dey try everything in the medias. Still, she no send for me. I wan do something wey e go pain her. And him come tell im friend say, you see that Zain, im last born, wey she say yes, I go make sure say I do wetin wey she herself, she go sit down, lament, regret, go pain her inside her body. Can you imagine? No, my people, can you imagine? If a man like Yul Edochie fit sit down, dey talk like this, dey tell im friend everything, it is very bad. And like that, Yul go tell im friend everything say, the thing wey im wan do now, im don plan am finish. Im friend come tell am say make Yul dey careful because Yul already he get bad records. Yul say he no send. Even as a matter of fact, by the time dem go wan look for am, it will be too late. His friend say, what you mean by say it will be too late? I no understand. He say you go understand when the time comes. His friend come call am back, sit am down. As we hear the matter, they say Yul Edochie friend come ask am say, have I ever for one time failed you for life? Yul say no. His friend say fine. Abi anytime when you call me on a mission, I am always there. I never fail you. I never do anything where you go say, my friend, why you betray me, Abi? Yul say no, you never do am. Yul him friend come tell am say everything wey you dey tell me, e dey enter secret until when you wan bring am out, people dey know me for my side. Abi? Yul say yes, na like that. He say then, tell me wetin wey you dey plan for this boy. You know say I have been by your side in thick and thin. I don follow you waka. So now, tell me wetin wey you dey plan for this boy. No carry am for your mind alone, so that if I see somewhere wey you no do well, I go rectify, tell you how you go carry do am. Then say Yul come tell im friend say im friend get right. He wan tell im friend wetin wey im don plan. My people, yawa dey for ground. Yawa dey for ground. Me, I wan welcome each and every one of una first of all. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting Queen May. This is her birth month. Support her ministry, I beg of you. Support her movement. Support her foundation as well. She get a foundation, Oasis Foundation. Support that foundation. She don't bring her outside. Please support her foundation. Kindly support her, I beg my people. Pray for her and her pikin them. Thank you, my people. Na Jessie Queen be this. I don't really appreciate all of you here. Thank you so much. Kasala full information where we come dey hear dey say Yul Edochie come tell him friend say make him friend follow am. Him friend come follow am, dem come reach where Yul dey stay. Na Yul come show am one small black bag. Tell am say open am. Him friend say wetin be that? You wan kpai me? He say no na, why I go kpai you? You are my friend. You know wetin I know. Open am make you see for yourself. Dem say as the friend open am, passport Yul don bring down. Prepare passport for Zane. Prepare his own passport. Prepare all the documents, even yellow fever, everything. That yellow fever card. Yes, dem say Yul Edochie don pack everything, put down. Guess what? The strongest and most shockiest one. That would be the most craziest one, my people. Yul Edochie took it as a point of duty to change their identity. Oh God. Change the pikin identity, change am. His own identity, he also change am. That means he prepare documents wey no be original documents. Wuru mago, he take follow, pass, get those papers. Even the passport, they say the passport no clear real. That was when his friend read everything. He say, but your son no dey answer this name. Neither the surname. Even you, why you change am? He say he no want any problem with immigration. Na so we hear. Anyway, he no want any problem with immigration. You want to do it in such a way that if the paraventure ask am of the mama of the pikin, he go kukuma say the mama no dey, and he go show them document wey e dey back and up. And that document go write say na him be the guardian of the pikin wey na Zane. He don pack everything, put inside that black bag. One small bag like this, get zip for one side. He don prepare everything. That means Yul don plan this for a longest of time. No be something wey just wake up to. He don plan am since tey. Na him come, when the thing come enter well, come develop, na him call his friend, tell am say, see o, wetin I dey plan to do. I go make sure say May Edochie get to know say I am superior. By the time she go want to know what is going on, I go don cut out. I go don leave Naija. Then she go know say I fit still make her cry. Na the only thing wey Yul Edochie dey aim that. How he go carry make our Queen May cry? He come bring his friend all the documents, tell am say he don plan am, that they will be going out of Nigeria. The friend come ask am say, wetin wey you don plan? Where you wan go? Which out you wan go? He say because Zane dey speak English, he no wan carry am go a country where he no go dey speak English. So he dey contemplate in going to Ghana. Although South Africa dey him head, say he no send anything. He go make sure say once he relocate, he go come dey upload video where dem go know say him, he don dey with him pikin. Then Queen May go come realize that Yul Edochie, he don carry their pikin. Hey! As Yul pack plan give drop for his friend tell am say, no now, you no fit do this. How you get the conscience you wan carry your pikin? But how you carry even the thing say e go happen? He say he no send, he don plan and finish. Say even he know say e go happen. Say he must carry Zane. Say he dey sure say his friend no go open mouth talk before time. His friend say he dey surprise. Say he don dey support Yul for so many things. But this one, e get as e be. Na small pikin dey in between. Why Yul Edochie wan do this to Queen May? Say he no understand. After much more, how many years now? Make Yul Edochie, please, in the beg am say, make Yul move on. Say this is from somebody that has not yet moved on. He can't tell Yul, say, see your pikin them now. At least once you see them for media, they are looking well kept. They're looking very well healthy. They're looking very well taken care of. So all those things, I know they sure say you go fit even offer half of those things where your wife may Edochie they offer your pikin them. Why you won't cause all this kasala? Are you not happy? Are you not as in contented how things they? You get things where you go do, you yourself as a human being, you go dey ask yourself questions. Is that what you want for yourself? Make I know. His friend they tell him, say you get things where you go do now. It go get as a be. Now the thing what you want for yourself. Why you know they stay one side? Allow things to be. Cool down. Cool down, Yul Edochie. They say, and like that his friend they tell am say make it cool down. Say wetin wey you wan do, e no go work out well o. E no go work out well. You no fit carry pikin like that. Say you wan punish the mama. Una know say so many men wey dey divorce, especially in this Europe, then they do like that. So that's why this Yul Edochie friend come tell am say, you get this kind bad mentality because of wetin wey you go don dey see outside. We Africans, we no dey behave like that. If you and your wife una get problem, you know they descend on your pikin then to punish your wife. Why you do like that? Now only for all these people then for abroad, if they divorce their wife, then go carry their pikin, won't buy their pikin, make their mama cry till their kingdom come. They'll carry their pikin, kidnap their pikin, then do the many things so that their mama could feel them when she dey think about wetin wey their papa do, their pikin then. So Yul Edochie friend was like telling him the many things. Say, bring back your senses, so know the country where we dey. Even though you know they happy with how things they turn up, it does not mean that you will kidnap your pikin to the extent where you won't carry them outside of the country. You know say your own life you no go dey easy because the mother no go fold her hands, and the authorities for that country, they go do their job. And if they should lay their hands on you, trust me, you go really hear them. So not do anything where you go make your family come outside. You go put shame to your family. Leave things where they be. And so they say, Yul Edochie friend, come they tell Yul Edochie. Say make him leave things where they be. Say not be everything where you go use a bad mind to follow. No, not be everything. There are some things where you do and finish, you go not say, I don't do reach this side. No, make I not do again. My people, Tori Wowo. Kasala don't burst for inside Yoruba industry. Wahala, it really dey inside here. According to the information we dey hear, na so we dey hear the matter dey go. They say everything scatter. Yul Edochie tell his friend say his friend not stand in a situation or position to tell him what he go do. If he wants to live his life like that, he go live as a fugitive. But you see what thing, he no go allow make everything come fall on Queen May good. At least the corner where he go there, the country where he go there, he go dey clap for himself. Say at the end of the day, I even did something that he go dey pain him every day. So Yul Edochie in a nutshell, his plan na to carry Queen May last born, but carry her not for good o. Carry her to do say make him just the pepper in mama, make your mama dey cry, and just cut out from Naija because he don't keep passport, he don't keep everything down. And all of them, he changed the names. He changed the names and people, he changed the names. Imagine when his friend won't put him, tell and things, tell his friend say, if his friend know wetin way good, make his friend not put mouth because his friend has always been there for him. Let it continue like that. You know one, just imagine seeing his friend as a traitor. Say his friend is supposed to stay by his side. Then his friend come tell and say, as we come hear the matter, as they come talk am, they say Yul Edochie friend tell am, say you see what? You get things where I go support you, but you got things where I no go even try to support you. Anything where small pikin the inside, I don't like they put myself because me myself I get pikin. So as you don't do, reach the mama side, it good. But when you don't do, pass mama side, the enter pikin side, my hand no the inside. No call me. I don't know you. I no hear anything. I don't know anything. Now you know what you they do. According to the information they said, this was what Yul Edochie friend let him know. Say now Yul Edochie know what they do. My people, wahala dey inside this one. Truth be said, heavy wahala dey inside this one. Yul Edochie dey cry, tell and say enough it and bring am down. He don't work hard. He don't work hard for those documents, those passports, and he must collect Queen May pikin. He must make people to know that he be the papa. He no send. Make heaven come fall. He no send. And so we hear. And so they say, Yul Edochie, my people, he talk am. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? My people, kasala don burst for inside Yobe Raga industry. Tori wowo, area scatter, wahala dey. That was when Yul friend can't leave Yul. He can't go send Queen May message. And the message where we can't hear this so. Tell him everything. Say, please, if two people they go find Zen for school, make she try double the security. Get why? Say Yul in friend, you don't come out his head, not the reason as and a man again. Say his head not the reason normal again. Please, Yul get one plan way he not like for their last born. So please, make Queen May double the security. You know, say Queen May never trust them. They say na Yul in friend no. That one way Yul carry and go to the host in their village. Now he send Queen May message, tell and say he knows that Queen May never trust in him. But this time around, he's supposed to tell Queen May what way Yul the plan. Because Yul, he don't try to, put Yul Edochie for reason, say, nah, don't do this thing, no. Don't do the one way overdo. Oh. You get things so you go do now, the things go worse, though. Cool down, you know good, oh. But at the same time, they say Yul no agree. So his friends say, okay, you know what? I go let me Edochie know. Make it be say my conscience, it go there at peace. Anything will happen after that, I no go have guilty conscience. I no go feel bad. I go no say I did the right thing. Now they say consent Queen May messages, they tell them everything, say see you. I fit even tell you how we do them. But the only thing be say tight security, guide your picking them. All of them guide them. Because maybe if you don't see one, if you won't go collect another one, just to carry them, run away from the country. And by this time, if you know where we know say Yul on his own side, he don't realize say all the picking them way Juju get, none of them are his own. But he no get mouth to talk him outside boldly. So people don't talk say, that is why I go say, he no send. He no get anything to lose like that. If he carry one of Queen May picking them outside from the country, if he succeed, that is good for him. You'll get a way to make Queen May feel bad. Feel so bad. Imagine you're picking them for house. Later you hear say, one no day before you go know what they happen, they don't tell you say, now your strange husband, don't carry them. Where they carry them, no. And that way they go know where they it will be too late because they go don't cross border. Yes, they go don't cross border. So this was what Yul Edochie planned. But that his friend said, no, you don't overdo things to me, Edochie. Because the woman on the talk no be say, you go they continue to do what you do. And so we hear the matter. And we can't see what we don't happen, my people. Wahala full for ground, be say, he full for ground. Kasala don't bust, be say, he don't bust. Waiting where we know, now the thing be this, they say, since then, Yul Edochie, he dey find this his friend. He say his friend don't betray him because what? Because Queen May made it known, send everything to the authorities concerned, and then to a lawyer say, make una see the same man where people are even shouting, say, why am I still for the divorce? See what the way they plan. The lawyers could not give credit. They say, are you sure? He say, yes. The person will tell me, this is a very good friend of his. My people, Edochie, they find out his friend. He say, his friend, not traitor, say his friend don't, betray him. They are after him. They are after him. We don't know where Edochie they now. People say they find them. We don't know where they now. But then again, don't tell Queen May say, while they are looking for Edochie, make Queen May please put double eye on her picking them, because men like Yul, their mind, they very bad. They happy with the life. They happy with nothing. Nothing makes them happy anymore. Nothing makes them happy. My people, I just pray, say, may this divorce end. I pray. It is just by the corner. This is September, October, November. We go see the head. So that everybody go just chill. Everybody go just rest. Wahala go short. Palaba go short. Everybody will go on because This is too much now. How you go even dey plan to carry your pikin outside the country just because you wan do the mama, you wan make the mama feel bad? Is it done? It is not done. My people, please, make una put una mouth here. But Queen May did well as she make sure say the right authorities for Nigeria got to know. But on the other hand, una know say Nigeria is a slow country when it comes to justice. They dey very slow. My people, please, make una continue to dey pray for Queen May. Nothing will happen. God dey. You all no go succeed. Please, with your prayers, it will really help. I won't draw my curtain. I won't raise my case here. Now, Jesse Queen be this. Thank you so much. I'll be back in a jiffy.